Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about strategy. We're going to see if the market is going to continue to go down, which is something that we already expected to do back in the beginning of the month. We've been looking for strategy to continue to go lower in price. Thus far, it has done that, but will it continue? Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. We're here to give you all the news according to the charts. We're not here to give you guys any fluff, no fear, no FUD, no FOMO. We're simply here to anticipate where price is headed so that we can be in position to capitalize. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it right now. First thing we're going to do is get rid of these buy pockets in strategy because the market actually didn't show buyers there. And whenever they don't show up, then that's a massive clue that the overall direction is still in play. Okay, the buyers didn't stop the sellers from controlling the price and moving it lower. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of those two buy pockets. Now, the next one you can see is something that we already targeted in our prediction around 310 to 305. Let's look at this on the 2 real quick for strategy. Here it is on the 2. Okay, not too much to talk about here. We do recognize and see buyers trying to come in on that 2-day price bar right there. That's why in the next 2 days, market went higher. Okay. Now, this current 2-day price bar, we have 9 hours and 8 minutes left. It's going to be a big clue as to whether or not those buyers are still interested in buying strategy in this vicinity. Because if they are, then the market will close up there towards high of the bar. If they're not, price will close at the low. Here it is on the 3 for strategy. Let's look at this on the 4. Take a look at strategy on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. So yeah, definitely somebody's in the market suspecting that where price currently is trading, that is attractive, that they want to come in and purchase the stock. We could definitely see that on all these multiple time frames from the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. All right, we can see that. And this may be an opportunity for the market to actually reverse course of going lower to beginning to try to trend up higher in price. Okay, so let's look at this on the 11-hour chart. So you can definitely tell on our 11-hour chart, we had a whole lot of sell signals being triggered right here into the market in strategy, which kind of goes for with what happened. The weakness definitely came through. And let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. Again, you guys can see there's a couple of sell signals hitting the market in strategy. Price went down. Now right here, let me go ahead and lock this because I want to show you that the market here in strategy is trying to find buyers right there. Okay, so this, let me give you this area, that this area is being seen as buyers. Okay, this could be a potential area to where buyers are trying to support the price in strategy. So we got that marked. Let's look at this on the 3-hour chart. Yeah, it's a pretty good move right here off of the buying off of these two 3-hour bars to get this price move right here. That's a pretty good move. Now, the crazy part is that it wasn't sustained. The next trading day, the market gapped down and it hasn't moved up since. Okay, so it kind of tells us that the market really wasn't amped, excited to go up right now. So we may continue to see, at least on the hourly charts, the market and strategy do this until it's ready to do a breakout move to the upside. Here it is on the 330. Okay, you guys can see where the sellers are. Right here around. Let me do that again. Right around there. Okay. So like if you're playing this market on a minute basis, on an hourly basis, then definitely these are where the pockets are between the buyers and the sellers for strategy. Okay. So as right now, I don't think we're going to change our overall analysis of looking for this stock to continue to go lower, albeit seeing that we are in profit. One thing that we do here is take profit when we're in it. So let's look at this and see if we were to get out the market right now. In strategy, we'll We're up into play 6.42%, chipping off a little bit of the market move since it's playing in our direction. That's what the name of the game is about. It's about profiting from price movement. That's it. And if you see the market in your area of profit, take a little bit off and let the rest ride. So that's what we're going to do here for Microstrategy or Strategy Inc. We're going to hold these two pockets here because whichever one price breaks, either to the upside or to the downside, is where price is trying to go. So let's go ahead and keep those two there for the time being. All right. And that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.